The use and maintenance of fine powder ball press in the running-in period should be done. Check the tightness of the whole machine. Check the oil amount of the equipment. Strengthen the smooth operation of each smooth pointed ball press and use a more correct smearing method to use smooth grease for smooth operation. 2. In the use of fine or powder ball press equipment to keep clean, timely check the various parts to ensure that each part in the use of no loose damage phenomenon. 3. Run-in period. If completed, fine powder ball press should be forced to maintain timely replacement of oil. Maintenance. The correct and regular maintenance of the fine mineral powder ball press can improve the working efficiency of the ball press, reduce the intensity of manual work, and greatly enhance the competitiveness of the enterprise in the industry.